Mikey, want some yogurt? Want some yogurt? Mmm, yogurt. Yeah, that's his favorite. Oh boy. Don't be going in there. Don't be going in there. I'll give you some. Hang on. Don't be going to touch. Okay, it's set. Alright. Alright, go. Go. Go, get up there. Go, go, Mikey. Mikey, go. Hey. Go. Get up there, go. All the way, go. Good boy.